Welcome back to our channel. We're excited to have you join us today. So, let's dive into the topic of breakfast and explore how to create a balanced and healthy morning meal that will set you up for a fantastic day ahead. Breakfast, often referred to as the most important meal of the day, plays a crucial role in providing us with the necessary nutrients and energy to fuel our bodies and minds. To achieve a truly balanced breakfast, we need to incorporate three key components: protein, whole grains, and fruits or vegetables. These elements work together harmoniously, ensuring we start our day off on the right foot. Let's begin by exploring the significance of protein in our breakfast. Including a good source of protein is vital as it aids in building and repairing tissues, keeps us fuller for a longer duration, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the morning. There are numerous options to choose from when it comes to protein-rich breakfast foods. You might consider starting your day with a delicious plate of scrambled eggs, a serving of Greek yogurt, or a dollop of cottage cheese. If you prefer a plant-based alternative, a handful of nuts or seeds can provide a satisfying protein boost. Moving on to whole grains, they provide us with complex carbohydrates that are essential for a steady release of energy throughout the morning. Opting for whole grain options such as oatmeal, whole grain bread, or quinoa not only ensures a sustained source of energy but also offers an abundance of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients will keep you feeling satisfied and focused until your next meal, preventing mid-morning energy crashes. Lastly, we shouldn't forget about the importance of incorporating fruits or vegetables into our breakfast routine. They are a fantastic way to introduce essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to our bodies. Fresh fruits like vibrant berries, sweet bananas, or crisp apple slices make excellent choices to pair with your breakfast. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even include a side of sautéed spinach, juicy tomatoes, or colorful bell peppers for an added nutritional boost. Now, let's bring it all together and create a sample balanced and healthy breakfast plate. Imagine starting your day with a satisfying serving of scrambled eggs cooked to perfection or a creamy bowl of Greek yogurt. Accompany that with a slice of wholesome whole grain toast or a small bowl of nutrient-rich oatmeal. To complete your plate, add a variety of fresh fruits or vegetables, adding color and flavor to your morning feast. While we're on the topic of a well-rounded breakfast, let's not overlook the importance of hydration. Alongside your nutritious meal, be sure to accompany it with a glass of water or a refreshing cup of herbal tea. This will help kickstart your day by rehydrating your body and mind, promoting optimal performance throughout the morning. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to creating a balanced and healthy breakfast. By incorporating protein, whole grains, and fruits or vegetables into your morning routine, you'll experience a boost in energy levels, improved focus, and a sense of readiness to conquer the day ahead. We hope this breakdown of a balanced breakfast has provided you with valuable insights and ideas for nourishing your body and mind each morning. Remember, breakfast is not a meal to be skipped or taken lightly. It sets the tone for your day, so make it count. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to sharing more health and wellness tips with you in the future. Until then, have a fantastic day filled with nutritious choices and positive energy. Top of form.